Navigating the government procurement process, a step-by-step guide for small businesses. Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we're exploring the complex world of government procurement. If you're a small business owner or an aspiring entrepreneur, this guide is for you. First, let's define government procurement.
It's the process of sourcing goods and services for public agencies.
And why should small businesses get involved? Because it's a lucrative opportunity. Next, how do you find these contract opportunities? It's all about market research and identifying your target agencies. There are also online resources like government procurement websites and databases. Before you start bidding, you need to prepare your business. Register with the System for Award Management, SAM, and obtain necessary certifications. Develop a capabilities statement and build a strong business profile. Now let's talk about the bidding process. It's competitive, involving request for proposal, RFP, and request for quote, RFQ. Crafting compelling proposals is key to standing out. So what does it take to win these contracts? Networking, relationship building, and subcontracting are crucial. We'll share success stories of small businesses that have thrived in this arena. Navigating the government procurement process may seem daunting, but with knowledge, determination, and the right resources, you can seize valuable opportunities. Remember, persistence and preparation are your keys to success. Share your experiences, questions, or insights in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on business growth and entrepreneurship.